Honda LogR app installed with the new CIVIC Type R is designed to help owners enjoy sporty driving. Here's a look at some of the key features. The Honda LogR app is for all Type R owners who want to get the most out of the functionality of their vehicle. The app is designed for those who would like to learn how to drive their Type R even better and provides insights and guidance on how to enhance driving skill. All the passion the test drivers helped build into the Type R is embedded in this app. We wanted to find a way to visualize their knowledge of the car's functionality and share their passion and expertise for the benefit of all Type R drivers. Now, let's have a look at the app itself. The app allows the driver to better assess the status of the vehicle while driving, in real time on screen. You can choose 6 indicators from a total of 12 to display on the performance monitor, along with coolant temperature, oil temperature, and other parameters of the condition of the vehicle itself. You can also check steering angle, brake pressure, accelerator depression, yaw rate, and other indicators of the driver's actions and their impact on the car. This data can be displayed on the performance monitor and on the new +R meter. Data is logged as the car is in motion, and the app provides scoring. Auto score data is logged for public roads, and data log can be logged for racetracks. Both types of data can be uploaded to a server to be accessed on the Honda LogR smartphone app. You can review the captured data at your leisure and compare with your previous performances on the same track, or with Versus mode, compare with other Type R drivers' performances. Versus mode provides a range of helpful insights. All these functions help you to visualize your own driving performance, anywhere and anytime. The app can help you enjoy driving even more each time you use it. Let's now look at some of the most important information available via the performance monitor. In the middle of the monitor is the G-meter, which shows the magnitude of G-forces your driving is generating and in what direction. And the 4 meters surrounding the G-meter display friction circles for each tire. Friction circles show the load on each tire, representing the direction and amount of force with yellow bars and circles. This shows you in real time how each tire is interacting with the surface of the road. If the tire grip is being efficiently transmitted, the outer circle lights up in yellow, and the bar extending from the center of the circle indicates exactly how much force is being exerted on the tire and in what direction. This real-time tire friction information has never been available before and is a key indication of driving skill level. Until now, drivers would depend on sense and feel. Now that this information is visualized, driving performance can be confirmed at a glance. Another important data visualization is the 3D motion display, which you can show in place of the G-meter to see the direction of the car and its inclination. Once in the cockpit, the driver cannot observe the car from the outside. This function gives the driver an objective view of the demeanor of the vehicle caused by driver actions. As you review your driving later with reference to the scoring, you can check how you maneuvered the car at each point of the drive, comparing your performance to that of highly skilled drivers. Visuals like these that accompany the numbers can be very helpful. You can set the display to correspond with the color of your own car for an even greater sense of affinity. The best way to improve your driving is to recognize how you normally drive. It's not about driving faster on public roads. The physics of a car on the road are exactly the same as on the track. To learn how to drive better on the track is to learn how to drive better on the road, and lessons learned on the track can inform how you drive on the road. Honda has designed the Auto Score function to encourage all drivers to enhance their skills. One of the race drivers engaged in developing the Type R noted that he does basically the same thing on the road and on the track. Learning to control vehicle demeanor at low speeds and low Gs for more efficient driving can teach us everything we need to know about high-performance driving. AutoScore records and displays all data generated from the moment the engine starts until it's turned off. To start recording, simply press the Honda LogR button on the Honda Connect display home screen. Once the AutoScore function is activated, acceleration, deceleration, turning, straight line driving, and composite assessment are all automatically calculated. For example, when you take off from a stationary position, your off-the-line start and progression through second, third, and fourth gears are recorded as acceleration and evaluated. Just select Auto Save Score Log to save your data in local storage to be reviewed later. Simply select AutoScore, then select your data to retrace your journey and review your score. You can replay the data as an animation for any acceleration, deceleration, turning, straight line driving, or composite action. Check to see if you're using your tires effectively, turning stably, and if you're using the clutch and shifter to change gears smoothly. This information can help you improve your driving. To use AutoScore correctly, go to Settings, and in the Commentary menu, select AutoScore. Here you can better understand how scoring is done for each maneuver and the meaning of each of the indicators in the graphs. Use the AutoScore function to more fully appreciate Honda's idea of good driving and improve your skills. With the data log function, you can see for the first time how driver actions affect the demeanor of the vehicle on the track. Course information and lap timer points for prominent racetracks are default pre-registered in your app. When your vehicle passes a lap timer point, the lap timer automatically starts. You can easily register other tracks under My Location, setting the lap timer point and finish line. Once a location has been registered, you can use the lap timer points at any time, so comparing data is smooth and easy. With your location registered, you simply start racing, and your lap times are automatically recorded. Lap times can also be displayed on the +R meter. Just choose the stopwatch for display on the meter. Including lap times on the meter reduces eye movement, so you can focus more on the road ahead. When you tap Stop Data Log, your data is saved and no additional data recorded. You can play back the recorded details in the context of the visuals of the track. The trace of each lap is linked to acceleration, deceleration, and other action, so the details of the drive are illustrated with green, yellow, and red animations indicating your progression. Integrated tire friction data can also be played back to help you visualize the status of the car at any time and at any point on the track. The playback bar under the track visuals allows you to quickly fast forward or reverse to the point you want to check. You can check your evaluations for each lap by tapping the Score button. Driving data is divided into 5 parameters and evaluated to determine if tire friction was sufficient, if tire grip was effectively used, if load transfer was smooth, if corner entry and exit was appropriately balanced, and if average G-force could have been increased. These results are combined to determine the score which is displayed. You can also get specific guidance on how to improve your driving by tapping Score Details. By better understanding your own driving, you can learn how to bring out the best performance of your Type R and enjoy racetrack driving even more. As with the AutoScore function, the meanings of the graphics and scoring criteria can be confirmed by accessing Commentary under Settings. Learning about Honda's idea of good driving through the Commentary, you can further deepen your understanding of the Type R's potential. You can display saved AutoScore and data log data on a smartphone, allowing you to review your driving data anytime, anywhere. You may also choose to share data from your data log with other Type R owners for any track that's default pre-registered in your settings. Using Versus Mode, you can compare items in your own lap history, or for tracks that are default pre-registered, you can compare your performance with the performance of other Type R drivers and improve your own skills. Versus Mode can also be viewed on your Honda Connect display. In addition, driving videos captured with the smartphone app can be synced with the data log and played back on a smartphone. The app includes links to YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, making it easy to share your driving experiences via social media. Our goal with this app is not to shorten your lap times, but to help you improve the quality of your driving. For example, you can learn to decelerate properly at the entrance of a corner, turn efficiently, and come out of the corner strong. And you can improve on your ability to stabilize the vehicle, transferring load efficiently and smoothly from the entry to the exit of the corner. As a result, you may enjoy safer driving and improve your lap times on the track as well. With the Honda LogR app, learn how to drive even better and more fully enjoy the sporty performance of your Civic Type R.